Keeping track of your blood pressure shouldn't feel like a scary medical exam. I was tired of guessing which machines were actually accurate, so I picked up the top 5 blood pressure monitors on the market to see how they stack up. I tested them for ease of use, comfort, and most importantly, consistency, so you don't have to stress about the results. Product number 1: YONLO Automatic Monitor. First, I looked at this YONLO model. Right out of the box, the thing that stood out to me was the cuff situation. Unlike most kits that just give you one standard size, this one comes with 2 distinct cuffs, including a massive 13 to 21-inch option. If you have larger arms or lift weights, that's a huge plus because a tight cuff throws off readings. I found the 35-second reading time pretty snappy, and the screen is super bright with a color-coded bar, green, orange, red, so you know instantly if you're in the danger zone. It tracks 3 different users, which is great if you're sharing it with family. Just keep in mind the USB-C port is only for power. It doesn't charge a battery, so you'll still need AAA batteries if you want to go wireless. If you need a custom fit, this is the winner. Product number 2: VitalVolt Smart AI Monitor. Moving on to the VitalVolt, which leans heavily into the smart side of things. I really liked how straightforward the pairing process was. I connected it to my phone via Bluetooth, and it dumped all the data into the app without me having to manually log anything. The cuff fits arms up to 17 inches, and the inflation felt stable. It didn't squeeze my arm to death like some cheaper models do. The display is backlit and easy to read, but the real value here is the tracking. If you're the type of person who needs to show your doctor a full history of your stats without carrying a notebook, this makes it incredibly easy to export reports. It also supports multiple user profiles on the app, so it works well for couples. If you love data and tech, this is the one you want. Product number 3: FDA-cleared monitor with voice. Then I tried this FDA-cleared model. The build quality feels reliable, and since it uses oscillometric technology, the numbers felt consistent when I took back-to-back readings. One feature I didn't expect to use much but actually found helpful was the voice broadcast. It reads your results out loud, which is honestly a lifesaver for seniors or anyone with vision issues who might struggle to read the screen. It also syncs with the eHealth Life app, so you can push data to Apple Health or Google Fit. I appreciate that it supports 2 users with separate memory banks directly on the device. It's a solid middle ground option. It's not overcomplicated, but it still connects to your phone if you want it to. If you're buying this for an older parent, the voice feature makes it the best choice. Product number 4: Generic Large Screen Monitor. If you just want something that works without bells and whistles, I checked out this automatic monitor. It's definitely the simplest of the bunch. The screen is a massive 4.5 inches, making the numbers huge so you aren't squinting at it in the morning. It fits arms up to 17 inches, which is standard, and it stores quite a bit of data, 199 readings for 2 people. Honestly, it feels a bit more basic than the others since it lacks Bluetooth connectivity, but that's not always a bad thing. It detects irregular heartbeats and gives you the numbers quickly. The buttons are tactile and easy to press. If you don't care about apps or syncing and just want to press a button and get on with your day, this is the budget-friendly one to grab. Product number 5: omron Bronze. Finally, I had to test the omron Bronze. You see this brand in doctors' offices for a reason. Holding it, it just feels sturdier and better built than the generic brands. It's clinically validated, which gave me a lot more confidence in the numbers I was seeing. It uses advanced accuracy tech that minimizes the impact of breathing or movement on the reading. It does connect to the omron app via Bluetooth, which is smooth, though the onboard memory is a bit small, only storing 14 readings on the device itself before you need to sync. However, for pure peace of mind and reliability, this is the heavyweight champion here. If you want the monitor your doctor would probably recommend you buy, this is the one. Whether you need smart tracking, a larger cuff for bigger arms, or just the most trusted brand name, there's a solid option here for you. I've dropped links to all of these in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.